This is very interesting palace, and this palace is very nice, and hill, big hill and waterfall is absolutely, this palace is very beautiful palace, and every people will attraction to see this palace. So I want to say, if you visit this palace, you can see many attraction scenery. This is Ali Kadam Bandurban, looking very nice, and the waterfall is absolutely brilliant palace. Absolutely, this cow and the hill people. This is hill people. You can see the hill people and hill Bangladesh.